Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Hello, welcome to Wheels. Now, if you're stopping by for the first time, this is primarily a car show channel. But during the off season of the winter months, I do like to give some detailing tips and tricks. But as you can see from the opening scene of this video, that's just not going to happen today. The weather in Kansas City is not cooperating. But what I also like to do is when I'm out and about, I like to go through the automotive sections of each store that I go to and check out what they've got on sale for detailing supplies. And when I was at Walmart last week, I ran across this. It's the ArmorAll Ultimate Car Care Kit. So give me a minute, we'll unbox it, show you what's in it, and let's see if it's worth the money. All right, let's see what's in this bad boy. We're still in frame there. I'm sorry if that was loud. Got some bubble wrap. All right. Some ArmorAll cleaning wipes. ArmorAll Extreme Tire Shine. ArmorAll Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Got 1, 2 microfiber towels that are edgeless. ArmorAll Ultra Shine Wash and Wax. Some ArmorAll glass cleaning wipes. Oh, we've got an air freshener. A wash mitt. And ArmorAll Protectant. Okay, it says the kit comes with 12 items here. The lid and the bucket being 1 and 2. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wash mitt for 8. Air freshener for 9. 2 microfiber towels totaling 11. And finally some glass wipes, which are 12. So let's take a look at each one of these a little bit closer and see what they actually offer and do. All right, ArmorAll glass wipes. Now I've never used a wipe on the glass before. I'm more of a spray on with something, wipe it off with a microfiber towel. But it says it leaves a crystal clear, streak-free shine, and it's safe for tinted glass and safe on touch screens. It is wet, but it just kind of looks like something you wipe your hands with. Wish we could test that out. You know what? Hang on a minute. This car is absolutely filthy. Let's see if we can catch this on camera. That's supposed to be streak-free. Let's see what happens. Might be a little too cold for it, this. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Hang on. We'll grab one of the microfiber towels and we'll kind of dry it off and help it out. That looks good. Clean it up real nice. Speaking of which, the microfiber towels are nice and large, and they are of a low nap variety, and they're decently thick to be a low nap towel. All right, the wash mitt. The wash mitt is also very low nap. Actually feels rather cheap, if I'm honest. There we go. Get it separated. But it is low nap. I guess it would do good to wash your vehicle with. But like I said, it's too cold today. What else we got here? The air freshener. Let's see. Oh. Good grief. Oh, it's a cucumber melon. Smells pretty good. All right, let's move on to the next thing. ArmorAll Protectant. It cleans, shines, and protects interior vinyl, rubber, and plastics. It provides UVA and UVB sun protection. Count on ArmorAll to help keep your vehicle looking as good as the day you bought it with our easy-to-use, non-greasy, streak-free formula. ArmorAll Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Easily cleans both wheels and tires. Dissolves grease, road grime, dirt, and brake dust. It's fast and effective and works in 30 seconds. It's a powerful formula. Reveals beautiful, shiny rims and natural black tires. ArmorAll Extreme Tire Shine is an easy, no-mess application, long-lasting protection. It conditions, preserves, and protects tires from harmful elements, leaving a rich black shine. ArmorAll Cleaning Wipes are great for your car's dash, vinyl, fabric, carpet, consoles, and more. They won't dry or fade out, damage or fade auto surfaces. They're lint-free and they stay moist in the container. The wipes are scientifically engineered for your car's special needs. They easily remove stubborn smudges from sunscreen and bug repellent, dirt, dust, and grime, leaving a matte finish. ArmorAll Ultra Shine Wash and Wax is a pH-neutral formula that can be used as a hand wash or it can be used in a foam cannon. Proprietary blend of cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax reveals your paint's deep, radiant color gently and easily lifts away dirt that can cause scratches and swirls. ArmorAll. Did you know that ArmorAll was actually invented in 1962? But it wasn't called ArmorAll back then. It was called Tridol, which if you spell Tridol backwards, it spells no dirt. Well, in 1972, the patent was actually sold to another individual who basically renamed it ArmorAll and started selling it then. So it's a product that's been around for a long time. I think everybody knows ArmorAll. And this little detailing kit here does come with 12 specific items. And it basically comes with everything you need to wash and clean your car from top to bottom, inside and out. I guess minus a tire scrubber and something to actually dry your car off with. But is it a good deal? Well, $25 for everything that comes in this package. 25 bucks. I'd say it's a great deal. So anyway, with all that being said, that's it. So please just remember to like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button down there for me. I really appreciate that. As always, hang loose and keep shiny side up. Thanks.